Hey guys, today I want to talk about the Erdnase Top Stock Control. I see all the tutorials on the Erdnase Top Stock and Bottom Stock Control, but I never actually see anybody describe a simple use for them, and I'm going to do so in this video. So after a series of shuffles, look at that, I found a king. And a couple more shuffles, and I find another king. And like this with the top stock control, you can just find king after king until you have all 4 kings. If you've never seen the Erdnase top stock control, this might look pretty amazing, finding 1 king at a time. Let me tell you what the top stock control is if you don't know. Here's all 4 kings. I'll leave them on top, face up, so you can follow. Top stock control is pretty simple. While shuffling, you just keep the top stock 10 or 12 cards or so on top of the shuffle and you square up. And that is the Erdnase top stock control. You shuffle, making sure to leave the top few cards on top, and you're controlling the top stock of cards and producing 1 king at a time while doing so. This gets your fingers used to manipulating the cards as they fall in the riffle. And this is a simple use for the top stock control as you shuffle. And if you want to make this look super impressive, all you have to do is perform the top stock control and then perform a simple false cut and grab a king off and produce it. And that's the Erdnase top stock control. Very simple, almost a duh kind of technique, but you can do very powerful magic with it. I've always seen the tutorials. I've never seen anybody actually put a simple use to it to make it useful for anyone. So I thought I would today, and that is the Erdnase top stock control. By all means, if you liked the video, press the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that little bell. Come back, watch the next one. Maybe drop a like or a share. See you on the next one.